What is your name?
My name is Shreya.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai, India.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
What do you do, job or student?
I am a university student.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a little Spanish.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza and pasta.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy reading books and painting.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast with jam and drink coffee.
How do you go to work, school?
I take the bus to university.
What time do you start work, school?
My classes start at 9 a.m.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I study, go to the gym, or watch Netflix.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Do you exercise every day?
Not every day, but I try to work out 3 times a week.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking, especially baking cakes.
How often do you watch TV?
I watch TV almost every evening.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and TikTok a lot.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall or online.
How often do you go shopping?
Maybe once or twice a month.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's very convenient.
What is your favorite store?
I love shopping at Zara and H&M.
How much is this?
It costs $20.
Do you prefer cash or card?
I prefer using my card.
Do you like to save money?
Yes, I try to save some money every month.
Do you buy things on sale?
Yes, I love discounts.
Have you ever returned something?
Yes, I once returned a dress that didn't fit me.
Do you tip in restaurants?
Yes, I usually leave a tip.
What is your favorite drink?
I love iced coffee.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook some simple dishes.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, but not too often.
What is your favorite restaurant?
There's a small Italian restaurant I love.
How often do you eat out?
Maybe once a week.
Do you drink soda?
Not really, I prefer juice.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
What is your favorite season?
I love spring.
Do you like hot or cold weather?
I prefer warm weather.
Is it raining today?
Oh, it's sunny today.
Do you like snow?
Yes, but only for a short time.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a warm coat, boots, and a scarf.
What is the weather like today?
It's a bit cloudy but nice.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer vacations.
Do you use an umbrella when it rains?
Yes, always.
How often do you check the weather forecast?
Almost every morning.
Do you like thunderstorms?
Oh, they scare me.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, a few times.
Where do you want to travel?
I really want to visit Paris.
Do you prefer the bus or train?
I prefer the train.
Do you have a car?
Oh, not yet.
How often do you travel?
Maybe twice a year.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, they are so fun.
What is your dream vacation?
A beach holiday in the Maldives.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have been to Canada.
Do you get travel sick?
Sometimes when the road is too bumpy.